Thanks for clicking this video. Let's take a look into MaxFunnels by DotComPal. So once you're set up with MaxFunnels, you'll have your own hub, your own subdomain. I chose jonas.dotcompal.com, and you can use your own custom domain if you want to, of course. And here's the login screen. I have my logo here, and I can sign in right here. So once I'm signed in, I get to the dashboard. What I'll be covering in this video is guiding you through the whole tool, everything that's included. I'm going to show you how the page builder works, how the funnel builder works, how all this is integrated, how you can use it yourself to either promote your own products, sell your own products, or promote products as an affiliate. So this is basically a platform that you can use to market yourself or other people's products online. So let's take a look at this. This is the dashboard as I've logged in. It greets me with a clock and my name, and here's the date, and here's an overview. So we have a dashboard on the first page where you can customize stuff that you want to see. So if you want to see your quick links, you can go here, you can customize, and you can choose what you want to look at. If you want to create a new funnel all the time, then you can do this. And there it is. And you can go down here, you can see some different statistics based on what you want to do. You can also move these around, you can add new widgets, you can even create like a new dashboard if you want to. So there's a lot of customization. It's really built to be your hub, your platform that you use every day. So you want it to be nice to look at every single day. So here we have the menu. If we go here, there's a quick menu. We have audience, account, funnels, analytics, integrations. And here for audience, we have these sections. For accounts, we have these sections. Funnels, we got this stuff. Analytics, we got this stuff. And integrations, we got this stuff. So in this video, I'll be guiding you through everything, so you know exactly what you can use this tool with. If there's anything that you are wondering how certain stuff is, you'll be able to see that in this video. I'll also use the page builder, show you how it works, how flexible it is, what you can do with it. And at the end of this video, if you do decide to get MaxFunnels for yourself, I have an exclusive bonus that you can get completely free by clicking the link in the video description, which will take you to this bonus page where there will be 15 plus bonuses completely free. And you can check them out at the link in the video description below this YouTube video. I'll also be talking more about these bonuses in this video. So with that being said, let's get into every single thing that MaxFunnels has to offer. Alright, so let's get into it. By the way, as you can see, I have a new shirt on. It's a new day. There's some heavy construction going on, so I apologize for the noise. Let's hope that it's not too bad. Let's get into everything that MaxFunnels has to offer. So let's start from right here, and we'll work our way to everything. So let's start with audience. I'm just gonna click all audience. And so audience is basically your people. This is where you can create segments based on actions that your visitors take on your site, stuff like that. So if we create a new segment here, for example, we can call the segment highly interested in whatever. And here's some options: visitor type, new visitors, returning visitors. This is based on the pages that you create, last seen, geo filtering, user attributes. As you can see, acquisition source, some advanced stuff here. Users who did these events, visited site, referral, time spent on page, number of pages visited. So you can basically segment your people and the ones who go into your sites and into your funnels and stuff like that, and really get a good view of your highly targeted people or the ones who just visit one time. Really cool stuff. There's also, with every section, there's like a tutorial video where you can click on this little video icon, and there'll be a video that explains exactly how to use each and every feature in this tool. So let's move on to the next thing. Here we have accounts. Let me just click all account. And so accounts, that's, you know, as the name suggests, if you are using this in your business, you'll have the opportunity to add certain accounts with name, email address, phone number, company, roles and stuff like that. If I go into edit here, you can see a bit more of what you can choose in this section. You can add social information, tag information, and here you can see some really good statistics on what happens for each of these accounts. You can see time spent on your website, total amount of visits, total amount of viewed videos, segments, lead score, lifetime value, feed here based on what they do. There's also analytics, we'll get to that in a second. So that's really cool stuff. Let's go to funnels. Go to projects. So you can create a new project for whatever you're doing. Let's create a new project. So I already created one called affiliate marketing. You can create one for your own products, affiliate marketing, stuff like video marketing, email marketing, this website, that website, whatever you prefer. And so once you have a project created, you can go to pages, and this is where you create a page, or you can go to funnels. I'm gonna show you the funnel feature so you get the complete idea. So let's create a new funnel, and I'm gonna select the project, affiliate marketing in this case, and let's create a sales funnel. I'm just gonna call this example funnel. Click on add, and here's where we can choose some templates based on what's already available. So here's some sales funnels. You can also go ahead with a lead funnel. There's different options to choose from. These gets constantly updated. As I'm making this video, this is still a new software, a new marketplace, but these are getting constantly added. As you can see, this one was uploaded on September 18th, this one August, and so, you know, these can be uploaded by the community, so there will be a lot of different templates to choose from all the time. I don't know, on top of what the guys behind DotComPal are, you know, contributing to as well. Let's just choose any one of these. Let's go with this one. Okay, so I chose the funnel, and this is the funnel builder. So what you can do here is that you have one page here. This is a lead capture page. And this is also a lead capture page. Now this little icon means that it's a split test. So you can basically set up a complete funnel where you have split tests. You can add your lead pages, your sales pages, your checkout pages, everything you need. And so you can really easily say that you want so and so many split tests. Then once they go to the next page, you can add a new page here and simply connect the dots. So it's really visually appealing. Now if you want to edit a page, you just go to edit right here. And let's just see how this works. So now we get into the page builder and how that works. And this is really different from what I've seen, but I do like it. Most funnel builders, most page builders are using like blocks. So you add stuff on top of each other. This is very flexible in the way that if we want to move something, you can simply just take any element, for example this, and you can just move it really like pixel perfect, as you can see here. And so that's really cool. Instead of going in and changing margins, padding, stuff like that, you just drag and drop wherever you want your stuff to be. So for example, here's a logo. If we want to do that, if we want to have a logo too, I can just put in my logo. Here it is. Just click done, and let's just position it right. Okay, let's say I want a different background. Click on edit, background image. Let's try this one. Okay. And here's the text, here's the opt-in form, here's some additional stuff. So let's just see how this works. As you can see, it's really easy to change stuff. It's an inline editor, so you just point and then you click. So grab my free video training series on how to make money online. Okay, so this is a bit out of what we want, right? So we just do this. Just grab that again and move it back here. So it's really easy to use. I like it. You can also, if you want certain things in the text to be a different color, you can, let me just grab it here. Free video training. Let's say that we want this another color. Let's say we want the YouTube red, CC0000. Whoops. Let's try that again. As you can see here, you can of course bold stuff, underline stuff, make stuff italic, all that stuff. So really good formatting. Not all page builders has this, so that's good. You can also change this stuff if you want this to say certain things, different stuff. You can change this text right here. Just click on edit and then you can change this right here. Yes, send me info. You can change this to say enter your email address. Right? Really good stuff if you wanna be, I mean, it really works. So as you can see, editing is really easy. Now let's look at the elements. So on this plus bar, on this plus thing right here, these are the elements you can choose. So there's headline, paragraph, image, video, button, form, all these things, shapes, sections, icons, timer, and social stuff. So if you wanted, say, a timer underneath this PC, then all I would have to do is add a section just to make room for some more stuff, right? And I want a timer right here. And I want the timer to be a little bigger, like this. Like this. And now let's just do like this. Boom. Okay, cool. Now I want the timer to be a different style, so let's click on edit, and here we have some cool editing options. As you can see, there's a few different styles to choose from. I think they look pretty good. You can select the time zone, labels, position, display only hours if you want, no days, and you can redirect your page after a certain time. So many good options here. I like it. Really cool. So again, the videos, that's another option. If you want a video, you can simply upload your video to this platform. So that's integrated video hosting in this, if you want that. Now, if you added a video and you're like, okay, where do I put this? Again, you just add the section that I did earlier, and you just make some room. And here's your video. Let's just go down, select the video, put it up here. Very, very cool. So again, if anything you want to delete, just click on this, click delete. So it's really easy to edit, no problems whatsoever with the page builder. You can also, and this is very important, change stuff in the mobile. So when you click on this mobile thing, here you optimize it for mobile. So for example, this logo is a bit out of the way. I'm just gonna adjust that, and now it looks good. Same thing with this. I guess I would have to move this up a little bit so it looks good on mobile as well. You just drag and drop like so, and then I'm going to take this up here, And this doesn't affect the desktop version, because when I go back to the desktop version, it's still as I designed it right before. So as you can see, it's really solid. Here you connect your autoresponder stuff. You can redirect to the next page. And right now we set it up with a split test. So yeah, it's really solid. And if you didn't know already, but the sales page of MaxFunnels, which looks really slick, is built completely in this software. So they are using their own builder to host their business on, which kind of, that says a lot, right? So I think we can both agree that the page builder is pretty solid. You just saw how easy it was to change stuff and add stuff and edit stuff. And so that's really good, and it's really easy to use even for beginners because it's drag and drop. So I really like that. So let's move on. Now I just saved the page. This is where I can change the URL of the funnel. This was the first one. Here's the split test. We can add other stuff like .com branding. Of course, we probably don't want that. So just remove that. And here's where I publish it. Save and activate. And we have a page ready to go. So that was the page builder. Let me just quickly go through all the other stuff that we haven't covered yet. But if you're ready to get started and get MaxFunnels for yourself, again, you can just click the link below in this video, and it will take you to this bonus page where you can get a lot of cool bonuses that fits perfectly together with MaxFunnels. So if you want to get that, just click the link in the video description. For now, we have gone through the audience, the account, the funnels. Let's go to analytics. We can see analytics for the page, the audience, and there's some really in-depth stuff we can look at here. I really like this. So here's the overview. Total views, unique visitors, conversion rate. And if we go to technology, we can see that different devices, what browser are being used. Here we can see operating systems, browsers, devices. If we go to location, we can see where our traffic is coming from. So I'm in Thailand right now, so that's why it says that I have 2 visitors from Thailand. One is my desktop and the other one is my mobile phone. Because I checked it on the mobile, and it looks really good on mobile as well. So here we have results and results. Let's just wait for this to load. This is your conversion graph for leads, promos, for shares, and other stuff. So you can even see how many people are sharing certain websites or whatever you want to share. And I haven't seen any page builder or any product do that to this extent, so I really like that. And lastly, we have compare, where you can compare 2 things to another. You have maybe one project that you want to compare to another project. So you can do that here and get an overview side by side. So that was the analytics, and here's the final thing in this video review, which is the integrations part, where we have the autoresponder. We can integrate CRMs, webinar platforms, stuff like that. Select the autoresponder, click on new integration. And this is all the autoresponders that MaxFunnels integrate with. And of course, you can also use the HTML form if your autoresponder is not on this page. So this is all the integrations. There's also Zapier if you need that. So it integrates with all the major autoresponders, and if your autoresponder is not on the list, I believe you can simply just take your HTML form code and integrate it either through the page, or you can also use Zapier. But using it through the page would be the easiest option. So with that being said, this is the overview of MaxFunnels. As you can see, it's a solid funnel builder that can build funnels, split test funnels, redirect different things. You can use timers, you can use all these elements, videos, of course, everything you need in a funnel builder. And most importantly, it's really easy to use, as you just saw in this video. Not only that, but it's pretty fast too. And as I said, MaxFunnels or DotComPal themselves are using their own builder, to sell their products with. And that just shows that this is not one of those funnel builders that comes out and launches and, you know, just hopes to get as many sales as possible and then leaves. This is has been in development for a long time, and of course they have really made it a solid product, if you ask me. So I like it. I could see myself using this, absolutely. It's I don't see any problems with it, not really. So yeah, I like it. Good product. So if you want to get this for yourself, I would recommend getting it as soon as possible, because right now it's just a one-time payment as I'm making this video, but I could imagine it would go to like a monthly thing, at least down the road. So if you do want to get it, and if you also want to get 15 incredible bonuses along with your purchase completely free, there'll be a link below in the video description which will take you to this bonus page, and you can get all these bonuses for free simply by getting MaxFunnels through this page. All you will have to do is go to MaxFunnels and click on any of these green buttons, and it will take you to the page where you can buy MaxFunnels, and then you just purchase MaxFunnels through that page. There's instructions on exactly how to do it right here on this page. Just follow these 3 steps to claim your bonuses, and you'll instantly get them through the JVSU platform. You don't have to wait to get back to me, or you don't have to wait for me to get back to you. So that's pretty much it for this video. You can check all the bonuses that I'm going to give you for free, like personal one-on-one mentoring, where I can give you the clarity that you need. If you have any questions, you get my WhatsApp or my Skype if you want that, and we can I can definitely help you, whether that be with affiliate marketing, email marketing, video marketing, your own products, mindset, or anything like that. There's also other bonuses which you can simply just scroll through and have a look at. I'm not going to talk about them in this video because it's all explained on these bullet points here that you can see, and that'll give you a pretty good idea of what you get. So with that being said, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this MaxFunnels review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.